Hello and welcome to the household incoming and outgoings spreadsheet. This is a tutorial on showing you how it works. So we've got the title here, just in case you didn't know. um, so the first things first, you add your wages, benefits per month, whatever it may be. So income basically per month. This person's going to be rich. It's going to get 1,000. And there we go. Before we've even done anything else, you can see here exactly, what it's doing. It's adding, you know, your monthly wage plus whatever you had left. Says that. So there's all that. So we'll go on to the outgoings. So you got your income. That's your income done. Now it's just the outgoings to do. So they're going to be 200 a month for rent. And that's going to be for January. So you can see it's changed here because of this. That's the whole amount. Also, if you come down here, it's changed down here. But we have a bit of a problem because they're going to pay 200 a month. And there's, doesn't go on for the month. 0. If you have something that's going to go throughout all the months, you simply click the box. There's a little thing down here. You just click and hold, and then drag to the respective month or whatever. So it's going to be the whole month, all 12. So there we go. That's done. And then we play insurances. So I'm just going to quickly fill all this in. So as you can see, I've filled all of it in. There's now a big number up there. I've also put insurances all the way across as well. So there's that, and there's the total, the outgoings. Also down here you'll see average monthly total, which is the average amount spent over the 12 months. So if ever you're thinking, how much am I spending a month roughly, that's the average amount. So, but as you can see, we've got quite a lot of stuff going on. You've also got the average profit or loss per month. So far we're losing 4,555. I believe that's losing. Without filling it all in, it doesn't actually make that much sense. But let's just carry on. So we're not going to have any loans throughout the whole lot. So also, if you've filled some things in and think, oh, actually I don't gain that amount a month, you can always change it. So there you go. You see we've got minus 70 now. There. So there we go. There's that. Put it back to that. This obviously isn't what someone will pay. There'll be some things that are much more expensive than that. I mean, a broadband bill, 25 quid, might be actually cheaper. But rent and all that lot definitely won't be 200 quid. Well, could be, but but yeah, I mean, you put in all your information. Also it's completely confidential because you'll have it. We won't. We're selling it to you. Utility bills, 100 quid. Not gonna happen. But anyway, I'm gonna fill in the rest of this table, and I'll be back with you, and we'll see how it's changed. As you can see, it's now all filled in. There's all the different things filled, all the different things up here. Most expensive month for them was December. No prizes on why. might be something to do with this one. Also, with this, you can also come back at any point and change anything. So if you put this in, you can put this in as what you're going to do with your money. So you get a rough figure of what you should spend that month for what you're buying. But you can use it also for actual things, which is what it's mostly for, because it gives you a definite answer and all that. So, it's very good. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Sorry. So if you want a holiday, so if you've done this as a guide, if you want a holiday in June, you just put down however much it cost. And there you go. It's updated the June with the June with how much it is now, and it's also updated the rest of the figures. They're thinking, September we've got quite a bit of money, so I'll have a holiday there as well. Be a very expensive holiday. There you go. Upgraded them all. So there we go. These spares are here, so if you have something else that you might want, then you can, type them in there and put the rest of them. If, however, you've got any of these that you don't use, you can just rename them. It all does the same thing. All has the different places, and yeah, it will give you what it is. And I have figured out that is profit per month. So here, how much you have left. After them, how much you have left, how much you have left, so on, so on. So that's how much you have left. That. So that's how much you have left after paying that. And that's your income after paying all this lot. So you've got, how much you're paying per month. No, how much you're paying per month. Sorry, how much you're paying per month. How much you have at the start of the month. How much you have at the end of the month after you've paid everything. Your average that you're paying per month. All your stuff that you are actually paying for. Again, per month, the amount, and average per month that you're paying. So, yeah, that's the tutorial. So now you know how to use it. And if you ever want to think about buying this, then let us know, and we'll let you know. Just go onto the website. It's www.excellerate.co.uk. That's our website. Go onto it, you'll find this tutorial. Also, you'll see some other stuff that we do. You'll see exactly what we do, and yeah, it will be all there for you. So thanks for watching, and I hope to be hearing from you soon.